Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Well, I've got a surprise unboxing today. I was headed out the door to go check the mail, and there's an Amazon box sitting on our front step. Okay, very good. I looked at it. It's got my name on it, and I'm like, man, I have gotten everything I ordered from Amazon. I have no idea what this is. So, of course, I bring it in the house. I open it up, and this is sitting right on top. A gift for you. Enjoy your gift from your SKL friend. Wow. All right. Very cool. This is awesome. I'm not sure what I'm getting here, but you know what? Since it said from your SKL friends, I was like, you know what? We're gonna do a video and we'll just see what it is together. Okay, looky here. All right, what do we have here? This says Lulu Home Christmas Carta Birds Decorate. Oh, somebody sent me some Cardinals, I think. Oh, you guys are too much. I don't know. Well, I guess all I can say is thank you very much to my SKL friends. That's what the card says. So that is, yeah, that's how I'm going to address it. So thank you very much to my SKL friends. Oh my goodness. All right, let's get her out here. Oh, it's sliding up. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. What do we have here? Oh, they're tree ornaments. How cool is that? It says Happy Holidays, sitting on like a Christmas ball, and it's, dude, this is so cool. Yeah, guys, I love Cardinals. I mean, for those of you that might be new and may not know the story, real quick, the little, I can't even say town because it's not a town. It used to be. The little community, okay, rural community where I grew up, was once known as the town of Redbird. And the cardinal is definitely my mother's favorite bird. So that's kind of where, and that town was in Nebraska. No, the cardinal is not Nebraska's state bird. That would be the western meadowlark. But I know the cardinal is a lot of state birds, but it's just, it's kind of my connection to where I am from. Basically, that's what it is. Oh my god, there's two of them. I'm going to put this down here for now. Some styrofoam. There we go. Oh my goodness. Red and green. Guys, this is fantastic. These are awesome. I'm going to kind of hold them like so. Let's zoom in just a little bit so we get a little bit better look. Guys, thank you so very much to my SKL friends. These are fantastic. They will definitely go on the tree this year. You guys rock. I mean, you guys know SKL is my favorite part. Saturday Night Live is my favorite part of doing the channel because I get to talk to you guys and hang out with you and just share fun, share life, share everything. And I can't thank you enough for this. This is absolutely fantastic. Thank you guys so very much. Yes, these will definitely be going on the tree this year. I'm trying to, yeah, well, I just have to do it like that. There we go. These are fantastic. Again, thank you so much. I greatly appreciate it. You guys are wonderful. You make this all worthwhile. Let's just put it that way. You make this all worthwhile. So I really appreciate it. Thank you so very much. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your week. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season. Thank you so very much. And remember, like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, guys. Bye-bye. Okay, so I was so totally taken aback that I completely missed something, and I just had to... They light up! So not only... Oh, and it changes from red to green. Oh, dude. Oh, now blue. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Back to that is so cool. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. That is too cool. All right. These are awesome. Definitely going on the tree. Now it's purple? Oh my goodness. Nice. Very cool. White. Oh man. Very cool. I was like, oh my goodness, there's a switch on the bottom. Yes, they light up. That's cool. Thank you so very much. Bye, guys.